everybody, it's Katie McClain from Engel and Völkers by the Sea, and I wanted to give you an update today on what's going on at 169 Main Street in Wenham. It's really been quite the talk of the town and a big spectacle going on right downtown for everybody to see, and I know there's been a lot of questions about what's going on there. 169 Main Street is a beautiful historic property located right on Main Street. Jeff was able to secure the property and is now working to restore and rehabilitate that beautiful property. What you've all been seeing going on is quite exciting. Started out with a couple of big trees being taken down. The road was closed for a little bit. They demoed the whole back side of the property, which was an addition done probably in the late 80s, which really wasn't up to the quality of the historic home. They took off the whole back side of that. And most recently, what's been really exciting and really interesting for all of us to see is they removed the home from its foundation, lifted, and moved it to another location on the property. So where we're at right now is they've moved the home. It's still up high on stilts. It's going to be lowered onto the foundation, which is in the process of being poured. I think it's partially poured at this point. Once that's done, the house will be lowered. It's going to be in its final landing place. And then the builders are going to start to build out the addition on the home, as well as a two-car garage, which will be added. And that's going to be really exciting because you're going to start to see the shape that the home is going to take in its final product. My plan is to video journal the whole process and the whole story of this house from start to finish. It's going to be about a year-long process, and in the end, we hope to have the whole spectacular transformation in one video for you all to see. But along the way, I'm going to continue to post little snippets of what's going on there. So if you're ever interested to see what's going on, please check out my Instagram page.